Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize build admin panels in Retool with roles, full guide step by step clearly. To get started, log into your Retool account. Navigate to the resources section in the left sidebar. Select the specific resource you want to manage permissions for. Click on the Permissions tab within the resource settings. Here, you'll see a list of roles that can be assigned permissions. If you haven't created roles yet, head to the Roles section under Settings. Create new roles based on your team structure and needs. Now, return to the Resource Permissions tab. Select the roles that should have access to this resource. Determine the level of access each role will have, such as View, Edit, or Admin. Save your changes to confirm the role assignments. Next, go to the App section in the left sidebar. Select the app you'd like to configure role-based access for. Open the settings for that app. In the Settings, locate the Permissions tab. Assign roles to the app based on what you set up for the resource. Make sure to specify which roles can view, edit, or take ownership of the app. Once you've defined the permissions, save your changes. You can now test the access control by logging in as a user with each role. Ensure that each role sees the correct app functionality as intended. If adjustments are needed, revisit the roles and resource permissions. Continue to refine roles and permissions based on feedback and usability. Monitor activity to ensure compliance with your access guidelines. With these steps, you have successfully authorized build admin panels in Retool using roles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.